Before we do anything else, I want you to take a 30-second test right now. No standing up, no equipment, just honest answers. You are starting with a perfect score of 5. I will describe 5 symptoms, every one that applies to you. Subtract 1 point. By the time I finish, you will know exactly what is happening inside your legs and whether you need what I am about to show you. This test has helped thousands of people realize their circulation was quietly failing, years before a doctor ever caught it. Stay with me. Your number matters. Ready? Starting at 5. Do your feet feel cold even when the room is warm? Cold feet mean blood is struggling to reach your toes. If yes, -1. Do your legs feel heavy or tired after a normal day? Not a long walk, just regular sitting? That heaviness is blood pooling because the return flow has slowed. If yes, -1. Do your ankles swell in the evening? Socks leaving deep marks? Shoes feeling tighter at night? If yes, then again -1. Do you get leg cramps, especially at night? Those painful spasms happen when muscles are starved of oxygen. If yes, then -1. Do you see new spider veins or varicose veins that were not there a few years ago? If yes, subtract your final point. If you scored 5, your circulation is strong, and today keeps it that way. If you scored 3 or 4, your body is sending early warning signals, and this is the perfect time to act. If you scored 2 or below, pay very close attention. But here is the thing, the lower your score, the more dramatic your improvement is going to be. Pause right now and drop your score in the comments. Write your day 1 number. In 2 weeks, come back and write your new score. I read every single one. If this test already surprised you, hit like and subscribe right now. Every week I post exercises that help your body work better, without a gym, without equipment, and without leaving your chair. Now let me show you exactly what to do about your score. Here is something that should genuinely alarm you, and then immediately motivate you. Scientists measured blood flow behind the knee during normal sitting. After just 60 minutes of sitting still, blood flow dropped by up to 50% in completely healthy adults, half gone. But here is what is incredible. Just 20 seconds of calf muscle activation almost fully resets it. That is what we are doing today. 3 seated exercises under 10 minutes. You never leave your chair. Exercise 3. The seated march. Sit tall, feet flat on the floor. Now lift your right knee a few inches off the seat, then place it down slowly and silently. Then the left. Repeat like a ticking clock. 1 lift per second. The key is this. Do not swing the leg. Contract the muscle. Feel your thigh tighten with each lift. If your foot is slapping the floor, you are going too fast. Do this for 60 seconds. You will feel warmth spreading through your thighs. That warmth is fresh oxygenated blood arriving in the muscles. That warmth you are feeling right now? That is not just comfort. That is your circulation waking up. And exercise number 2 takes it even further, all the way from your ankle to your hip, in one single movement. Exercise 2. Seated leg extension with toe point, feet flat. Now slowly straighten your right leg until it is roughly parallel to the floor. Point your toes away from you. Hold for 2 seconds. Feel the calf squeeze. Then flex your toes back toward your shin. Slowly lower the foot back down. Here is what just happened inside your leg. Extending the knee squeezed the veins in your thigh and pushed blood upward. Pointing the toes contracted your calf and squeezed the deep veins in your lower leg. Flexing back allowed the veins to refill. That was 1 full circulation flush, ankle to hip, in a single smooth movement. Do 10 repetitions on each leg. If straightening fully is uncomfortable, just do the toe point with your foot on the floor. That calf contraction is the most important part of the whole movement. Your calves are not just muscles. Doctors call them your second heart, and exercise 1 is built entirely around activating that pump. This is the one I want you doing every single day. Exercise 1. The seated calf pump. Your second heart activator. Sit tall, feet flat, hip width apart. Keep the balls of your feet and your toes firmly on the ground. Now lift both heels off the floor as high as they will go. Squeeze your calves hard at the top, then slowly lower your heels back down. That is 1 pump. Do this for 2 full minutes. After about 30 seconds you will feel a burn in your calves. That is the muscles working hard enough to make a real difference. If the burn gets too strong, pause for 10 seconds and then continue. When the basic version gets easy, try one leg at a time. Single leg pumps are twice as powerful, but only move to that once both legs together feels comfortable. You can do this exercise anywhere. Watching television, talking on the phone, sitting at the dinner table. Every single pump sends blood racing back to your heart. 3 exercises, 6 minutes total. But what you just did works best only when you also know these 3 habits. Because one of them is something almost everyone does in the evening, and it is silently damaging your veins without you even knowing it. Bonus 1. Front load your water. Dehydrated blood is thick blood, and thick blood moves slowly through your veins. Most people drink very little in the morning and then flood their system at night, which causes ankle swelling and bathroom trips, while leaving their blood thick during the day when good circulation matters most. The fix is simple. Drink the majority of your water before 3 in the afternoon. 1 full glass before breakfast. A steady intake through the morning. Then taper off after dinner. Bonus 2. Eat beets 2 to 3 times a week. Beetroot contains nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Wider vessels mean easier blood flow. Roast them, add them to a salad, or mix the juice with a little apple juice if the taste is too strong. Bonus 3. Stop crossing your legs while sitting. When you cross one leg over the other, you compress the veins behind both knees. You are literally pinching the main highway that blood travels through on its way back to your heart. Most people do this in the evening, exactly when circulation is already at its weakest. Stop this one habit and your legs will feel the difference quickly. And here is the simplest rule to protect everything you just built. Every 20 minutes of sitting, give your legs 20 seconds of movement. 10 calf pumps. A quick seated march, even just pressing your feet firmly into the floor. That resets your circulation clock entirely. Set a timer on your phone and make it automatic. Here is your complete daily plan. Seated march, 60 seconds. Leg extension with toe point, 10 reps each leg. Calf pump, 2 full minutes. Total time under 10 minutes. Do it once a day, ideally in the afternoon or evening when fluid has already built up in your legs. Repeat the calf pump alone as often as you like throughout the day. And one important note, do not do these exercises within 1 hour of bedtime, because moving that fluid upward can cause you to wake up for bathroom trips during the night. Now go back to the number you scored at the very beginning of this video. That number is not a verdict. It is your starting line. Do these exercises every day for 2 weeks. Then come back to the start of this video and take the test again. I am confident your score will rise. When it does, come to the comments and share your before and after. Write something like, started at 2, now I am at 4. Your result might be the exact thing that convinces someone else to finally begin. If this video helped you, please share it with someone who complains about heavy, tired legs. They may not know the solution is this simple. And if you have not subscribed yet, join us. A new practical guide posts every single week. Your legs have carried you your entire life. Now it is your turn to carry them back.